Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I'm going to be unboxing BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. It's about $25 a month, and you get anywhere from, I think it's typically like $125 to $300 worth of products, something like that in it. Let's open up and see what we have this month. So you do get this little card, and it has information on the items. This says Flourish. It's very springy. They have a theme usually. The first thing in this is Pluck It 2-piece tweezer kit. I do have tweezers already from, I think from Tweezer Man. They're the kind with the big grip on it. But this is 2 different sizes, and they're different than that one. It's a slanted tweezer for precise plucking and a pointed tweezer to isolate a single hair in a large area. I don't know. I do my own brows typically, so I'll try these and see if they're better, more easy to use, whatever. Then we've got collagen, coenzyme Q10 hyaluronic acid serum in the Skin Ink supplement bar. So it's like a serum. It's like a serum, I believe. Let me take a read. Yeah, skin reviving serum. The next thing is this Tray-Stick brow pencil. Oh, it's a refillable brow pencil and brow gel. See, I don't use brow gel. I do use brow pencil, but I don't use brow gel. So, oh, this is cool. This is cool. I like this. But I won't use this, I don't think. I might pass this on to a friend, unfortunately, but it looks really cool and I kind of want to use it. But if I don't use the gel, I don't use the gel. So next thing in here is, oh, Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. Okay, I've heard of this. It's supposed to make your under eye kind of glowy. I'll try it and see. It's like a mix-in with your concealer. And the very last thing is from Cobb Cosmetics. This is an eyeshadow palette. I have a feeling it's going to be super neutral, but let's take a look. Day and Night. Oh, it's neutral. It's got a little purple in there. So I probably could use this. It looks like there's shimmers and mattes and some like violet colors. So we'll see. I do have some neutral palettes still that I have that I'm working on, but it looks cool. I'll check it out. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.